Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. We're going to do a little bit different this time. We're going to use the clone tool. So we want that kind of in the center of the page, and then I'm going to run it up holding down the control button. But we need to take that, and sometimes you have to select it all, go up to Object, break the Artistic Media Room tool apart, and then delete that. Now we can run that straight up with our holding down our control button. Now I'm going to take a 2-point line, I'm going to hit P. And now I'm going to take this and I'm going to clone it. And I'm going to rotate the clone 10 degrees. And then I can Control D. I hit my hand on the, let me start over, let me back up. Make sure I just have one. Okay, select it all and clone it. My hand hit another button. Now I'm going to rotate it 10 degrees. Control D all the way around. And what the clone tool is going to do, we're going to be able to actually change the clone if we don't like the configuration of the lines. So one of these, so because I didn't group it, I can take the hold down the Alt key and select all those middle lines and delete them. Now one of these is our clone tool, or our clone curve, control curve right there. Now watch this, take your shape tool and let's bring this down a little bit. It's bringing all the lines down, or all the lines across. You know, you can make it a little bit thicker right there. Make it look like a rope. You know, you could change it quite a bit. That's not good. You know, that's probably what you want. So if you clone something, you can change all of them in your scenario. I had it probably the best at first. Pretty cool way to do things. I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.